Today I will show you how to get 0.5 zoom on iPhone camera. If you want to use the 0.5 zoom option on your iPhone camera, the ultra-wide feature, it's actually very simple. But it depends on which iPhone model you have. Only iPhones with multiple rear cameras, such as the iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 series, and some Pro and Pro Max versions, come with the 0.5x ultra-wide lens. To access it, open the camera app on your iPhone. Once you're in the main photo screen, look near the bottom center of the viewfinder. You'll see small numbers like 0.5, 1x, and sometimes 2x or 3x. These numbers represent your camera's zoom levels. Tap 0.5 to instantly switch to the ultra-wide lens. You'll notice the camera zooms out, capturing a much wider field of view. This is perfect for landscapes, architecture, or group photos when you want to fit more into the frame without stepping back. If you don't see the 0.5 option on your screen, it could mean your iPhone model doesn't have an ultra-wide camera. For example, the standard iPhone SE and older models like the iPhone XR or iPhone 8 only have a single rear lens, so they don't support true 0.5x zoom. However, you can still mimic the effect slightly by holding your phone further away or using a clip-on wide-angle lens accessory for more precision. You can also use the zoom wheel. When you press and hold on one of the zoom buttons like 1x, a wheel will appear that lets you slide between 0.5x, 1x, 2x, and everything in between. This is useful for smoothly adjusting your zoom. Instead of jumping between fixed settings, you can also use the 0.5 zoom-in video, portrait, and time-lapse modes on most iPhones that support it. Just switch to your preferred mode and select 0.5 before. If you start recording or taking pictures, if your iPhone supports the ultra-wide feature, but 0.5 still isn't showing up, make sure your iOS software is up to date. Go to Settings greater than General greater than Software Update and install the latest version. Once enabled, the 0.5 zoom becomes one of the most versatile tools on your iPhone camera. Great for dynamic shots, capturing entire scenes, or giving your photos that professional, cinematic wide-angle look.